Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you basically how to trade limited items with friends on Roblox. So first of all, enable trading. Ensure that both you and your friends have trading enabled in your account settings. Make sure that your both accounts must be at least 13 years old to trade, and you must have a tradable limited item in your inventory. Go to your friend's profile or use the friends list to locate them. You could just go ahead right here. Let's have an example. I'm gonna use Sarah in people, right? And then click on the three dots or the three buttons on their profile, and then basically go ahead right here. Let's have an example, Sarah, and then basically you're gonna be able to trade items from the drop down menu, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the item that you want to trade from the inventory, and then basically make sure to double check the items being exchanged and ensure that you are getting what you expect, and then confirm the trade. All right, your friend will need to accept the trade on their end as well. So after your friend accepts that trade is complete, you and both items will swap between accounts. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.